Hello parents, educators, and my OTPT colleagues. Miss Sue here. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today in this video, I want to make a flower. The spring officially started this week, so I have been making flowers using construction papers and other materials. So we want to make that today, and you enjoy your spring and spring break. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the materials that I used. You need construction papers and scissors and a pencil, eraser for correcting the line. If you want to give thick line for your kiddos to cut easy, then you can use a marker. I have the paper fastener. It's also called split pins, so you can also use that. I have the circle shape punch, the lever punch, but this is optional. You can also just trace any small size circle. You can use that. You can just cut out the circle. That's no problem. You chose purple?
Yeah.
Okay. So you want to make a circle. So you know how to use this. Push in, hold it, and can you make one more? Okay.
And you can open this.
Yeah, open it. Have a sit.
It came out nicely.
Yeah. Okay. So
Mom,
this
you can
one
just
stays in, and we have to puncture right in the middle. And do you know how to do it, right? Flip and split. Okay. So first we will make 6 petals. Okay. So 1, 2, 3.
That's only 3.
Right. Because I want you to make rest 3. You will make 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3?
6.
So in total we have 6 petals. Okay. Now can you cut the petal outline?
I feel like this has to be more curved.
Okay. 여기다가 write down CH.
You can move it to the words like chip. You chew, you chew a chip. You check, and then you can chew. You have a chain, and then you get a snack of cheese. Red, orange, or I got a leaf. How do you spell orange? O. Yeah. R. Yeah. And Ang. A-N-G. A. Mommy, look. I made a leaf on the moon. You know how? Is this how orange spelled?
Ta-da!
Orange.
G-E.
G-E. Pink.
핑크도 있어?
You didn't know there was the color pink? Today will be great, good, bad, horrible, stinky. Today will be...
It's the half moon of the
Mommy, I need black for all the chalk things for that.
Wait, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Huey.
I'm using it. You can't just snap
I'm
it.
gonna give you